In the previous video, we looked at a one-way path with options. What we'll look at now is a distinct two-way path. So there will be a point, your code will start, and we'll come to a point where we can deviate down path 1 or path 2. In this case, we'll say we'll test a value, and if it's true, we'll go down path 1, and if it's false, we'll go down path 2. So two distinct paths. Eventually, your code will merge back onto the main path, and then it will end. So let's go take a look at that. Now this sample is not too different than the last one. And that we're still prompting the user, hey, enter your age. We're expecting a numeric value. And then we're going to test, is it numeric? And if it is, we'll print an appropriate message that it was a valid number. And if it wasn't, we'll print a different message. So this program will always output two messages, because we'll always see this one on line 37, processing complete. So this program will always have two messages, but the first message can change depending on what the user enters. Before, sometimes we'll have one message, sometimes we'll have two messages, that sort of thing. And so the output was different. Here we'll always have two messages, right? But the first message may change depending on what the user puts in. We now have two distinct paths we can go down, the true path or the false path. So if this test on line 33 returns true, we go down the true. Else, if it's false, we'll go down this secondary path. So let's see this in action. Run in Python terminal. So I'll enter the value 10, and we see the age entered is valid. I'll enter the word cat. Right, the age you entered is not valid. So and we always see two messages coming out of the program, whereas before we would have a variable amount of messages depending, because it's optional. Here, no, we're going to get a message, but that message might be different in that. Now this might be a subtle change from the last program, but sometimes subtle changes can be very profound, right? We've now created, right, a secondary path that a user could go down. And we could have much more than just one line of code in here. We could have a whole different set of operations which trigger a whole different, another series of lines of code in that. So this can get pretty complex quickly, right? But we're just trying to go over basic examples here that fit on the screen. That's all for now.